Join us for an underwater adventure as we show you how to make these fabulous shiny flutter fish on this episode of Backstage Flints. Hi, I'm Claire from Flints and I'm going to be showing you how to make some flutter fish. With Backstage Flints, we've been bringing you a range of online content to get you inspired during this time period, so remember to hit subscribe to be the first to see our new content as it comes out. Flutter fish is a really fun one to do with little kids because it's easy and it's super fun. To get started, you're going to need a drawing of a fish. So you can either do this one yourself, or we have this nice template available for you to download from our website, flints.co.uk. So once you've got your fish, and it doesn't have to be a fish either, you can do any type of fish you want. You could do mermaids, or you could make up an animal, so long as it's got that scaly texture. But the first thing to do is to cut the shape out and colour in the fins. And as you can see, I've coloured in the head, the tail and all the fins in these nice bright colours just using coloured pencils. And what I've done is I've coloured in slightly around the edge of the body just in case any of it shows through the scales, but this main body is where we're going to be sticking the glitter. Next up, we're going to prepare the glitter. So Flint's flutter glitter comes in this rectangular shape. So what we're going to do is going to take a pair of scissors and just cut one end of it to make this nice curved scale shape. Just like that. And we're going to repeat this and do quite a few. So I think it's easier to do this in advance rather than when you're making it, because it can get a bit messy with glue. So it's good to just make a big pile of pre-cut glitter that you can work from later on. Taking our coloured in fish drawing and our pile of cut glitter into the scales, I'm then going to start gluing them down. So I'm going to work from the tail end to the head, making sure that all of the curved ends are facing towards the tail. And to do this, I'm just going to put a little dab of PVA on the end of the glitter. Just need a really small amount. I'm just going to put it on the square end of the glitter and then press it down so it lines up with my fish's body. And I'm going to repeat this until I build up a nice scale effect. So I want to work vaguely to the contours of the fish's body, but because we coloured in the edges a bit, it doesn't matter if there are a few bits that don't get covered. Now the flutter glitter is really nice because it's really metallic and shiny. It's almost like a mirror. And so when you layer it up, you get a really nice effect. And it looks so good. I've now glued all my scales in place. And when I reach the head, I just carefully cut them a little bit more to fit around the gill of the head there. And all done. We have a super cute flutter fish. Don't just stop at one. Why not try making a whole underwater scene? You can make loads of them, loads of different colours as well. And remember to show us what you make using the hashtag BackstageFlints. Now if you want to make your very own flutter fish, head over to flints.co.uk to order a kit now. Each kit comes with a template of a fish like the one we've used today and some PVA glue and a pack of flutter glitter. There are 3 types of kit, one with gold flutter glitter, one with silver flutter glitter and one with an assortment of colours which is gold, silver, red, blue and green. Did you like this tutorial? Let us know what you think and what you want to see next in the comments below. Thank you for watching, stay safe and lots of love from Flints!